The significance of sustainable transportation systems in lowering emissions, fostering social justice, and accelerating economic growth is brought to light on World Sustainable Transport Day. Here are 10 sustainable transportation options worldwide, as sustainable mobility is essential to combating climate change. 1. Electric vehicles, EVs. EVs are one of the most visible and rapidly growing solutions in sustainable transport. EVs use electricity stored in batteries to power electric motors, emitting zero direct tailpipe emissions, making them far more environmentally friendly than conventional gasoline or diesel-powered vehicles. In Norway, over 50% of new car sales in Norway are electric, supported by tax incentives and a robust charging infrastructure, making it a global leader in EV adoption. 2. Bicycles. Cycling is a low-impact, healthy, and highly efficient mode of transportation. It produces no emissions, takes up less space than cars, and is an excellent alternative for short commutes. Cities worldwide have been promoting cycling infrastructure to support this mode of transport. Amsterdam is known for its extensive bike lanes. Amsterdam sees nearly 40% of its population commuting by bicycle, showcasing the benefits of bike-friendly infrastructure. 3. Public transit, electric buses and trains. Public transportation systems, particularly those powered by electricity, offer a sustainable way to move large numbers of people while reducing emissions per capita. Electric buses and trains contribute significantly to lowering the carbon footprint of urban areas, especially when powered by renewable energy sources. Shenzhen operates the world's largest fleet of electric buses, contributing to cleaner air and reduced emissions in a dense urban area. 4. I hope you are enjoying the content. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Our channel focuses advancements and impacts of technology. 4. Carpooling and ride-sharing. Carpooling and ride-sharing services are integral to reducing the number of vehicles on the road, alleviating traffic congestion, and reduce emissions. By sharing rides, individuals can decrease their carbon footprint and promote more efficient use of resources. In places like San Francisco and Paris, ride-sharing services like Uber Pool enable users to share trips, lowering overall emissions and the number of cars on the road. 5. Hydrogen fuel cell vehicles, FCVs. These vehicles generate electricity through a chemical reaction between hydrogen and oxygen, with the only byproduct being water vapor. FCVs are particularly advantageous for long-distance travel and heavy-duty applications, such as trucks and buses. The Toyota Mirai is one of the leading hydrogen fuel cell vehicles, and Japan has established a network of hydrogen refueling stations to support this clean alternative. 6. Electric scooters and mopeds. They have become an essential part of the urban transportation landscape, particularly for short trips. These lightweight vehicles reduce congestion and emissions while providing a convenient and affordable option for individuals who need to travel short distances. Lime operates a fleet of electric scooters in cities worldwide, offering an eco-friendly way to travel short distances while reducing congestion. Are you enjoying our tech insights? We're sharing fresh tech videos every Sunday. Subscribe us so you can stick to the technological updates in the world. 7. Walking. Walking is the most sustainable mode of transportation, emitting no carbon and requiring minimal resources. Cities that prioritize pedestrian infrastructure, such as wide sidewalks, pedestrian zones, and safe crosswalks, promote walking as a practical and sustainable option for commuting and recreation. Copenhagen has prioritized pedestrian zones and walkability, making walking an easy and safe choice for local commutes. 8. Light rail and trams. These electric-powered trains are particularly useful in medium-density urban areas, offering a balance between buses and high-speed trains. They reduce emissions while providing efficient and accessible transport to city residents. Melbourne is one of the largest tram networks globally. Melbourne's trams provide a low-emission, accessible form of mass transit. 9. Cargo and freight trains. Rail transport, especially for cargo, remains one of the most energy-efficient ways to move goods over long distances. Trains can carry large amounts of goods, reducing the need for trucks, which are more resource-intensive and polluting. European freight rail network has invested heavily in its rail freight network, offering a more sustainable and energy-efficient alternative to road freight. 10. Sustainable aviation, electric and hydrogen-powered aircraft. While aviation has historically been a major contributor to global greenhouse gas emissions, the industry is beginning to explore sustainable alternatives, such as electric and hydrogen-powered aircraft. These technologies aim to reduce the carbon footprint of air travel significantly, especially for short to medium-haul flights. Alice Aircraft by Aviation, Israel, is an electric plane designed for short regional flights, aiming to revolutionize the aviation industry with zero emissions. In order to lessen the negative effects of global mobility on the environment, sustainable transportation is essential. These forms of transportation, such as electric cars and hydrogen-powered aircraft, are opening the door to a more sustainable and clean future. The significance of switching to these environmentally friendly options and developing resilient, equitable, and efficient systems is highlighted by the celebration of World Sustainable Transport Day on every November 26th. In this video, we discussed about World Sustainable Transport Day. If you want to know about hidden environmental cost of AI, then smash the mentioned link at the end of the video.